welcome back to my channel. It's Janisha. Today I'm going to be doing a wash and go for you guys, just showing you how I do my wash and go. Y'all know it's a whole eco styler fiasco going on right now, and I'm using a different gel. I picked to use this gel before the fiasco, just so y'all know I'm not giving up eco styler gel. Just know that. This is my Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner. I purchased the full size after using that 2 box. I'm just going to put that all throughout my hair, rake it in, smooth it in, praying hands method, all that good stuff. And so now I am using my fake Mielle Tangle Teether that I got from my local beauty supply store to detangle in my hair. And I'm also using the Argan Oil of Morocco by OGX to give my hair some extra moisture. I do the LOC method, FYI. I also use the Mielle Organics curl cream, but I didn't use it for my whole head because after I did this section, I realized that it was not mixing well with the gel, so I stopped using it. I even ended up later on using a different leave-in conditioner as well. But here I'm just clipping up my hair, and this is the clip that I used where I clipped up my hair, and so I'm getting ready to apply the gel. Now the gel that I use is pretty much the star of this whole entire video, which is the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Gel. And you guys, when I tell you my hair did not shrink up, and I don't know if it's supposed to not shrink at all, because I did have shrinkage. I mean, it's just natural, but you're about to see how my hair doesn't shrink at all after I'm done raking in this gel. Like, my hair barely even curls back up. So yeah, as you guys can see, I didn't really experience that much shrinkage from the gel initially being put on my hair. Here I'm just shingling some pieces, separating some curls that are too clumped together. I don't like my wash and go curls to be too clumped together, just because it just makes for a bulky wash and go in the back to me. So I am just continuing to separate some curls, and I'm going to speed up the video so that you guys can not just sit here and watch me slowly separate my hair. So again, I'm just going to do the same thing. This is pretty much the same section. I've already used leave-in conditioner, leave-in conditioner, oil, and the cream, and I'm just adding the gel. So I'll just let you guys watch. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like what you see so far, please take this time to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. So these are my results for that back section. As you can see, my hair is still pretty elongated, which I was very, very, very surprised by this. And my hair stayed elongated for a while. So I did the rest of my hair off camera, and here I am just doing the top, one half of the top portion of my hair. I ended up using, so I'm just wetting my hair here, but I ended up using a different leave-in conditioner, which is Bay right now, the Camille Rose Honey Hydration leave-in conditioner. It's literally like the consistency of honey. It warms up in your hand when you rub it together. It's bomb, you guys. I'll have to do a whole video on it because it's so bomb. So I'm just raking that into my hair, putting that into my hair. I'm going to be brushing my hair again. I'm going to add my oil, of course, and then I'm going to be brushing that into my hair and then applying the gel. So I kind of went ham on how much gel I applied to the top section of my hair, because the top section of my hair is a looser curl pattern, so I need more gel to give me the curl. I have to scrunch my hair and everything once I'm done with it. So yeah, I am just doing the same thing over and over again. I'm going to be brushing all the products through and detangling my hair and then applying gel. This is my first time doing my hair in my room without being in the bathroom with a mirror, so it was very weird. It was very awkward. So I kept looking at my hair, making sure I was doing everything okay, especially the top part of my hair because that's what everyone's gonna see. Okay, so yeah, these are my final results. I really do like my hair. I am holding the camera now because I feel like you could get a better look at my hair this way. But I really do like this hair. I'm probably going to be vlogging a little bit later, so I will come back and show you guys the finished, like, dry results. But this gel is supposed to be elongating, so it's not supposed to give you a whole bunch of shrinkage. And I can say as of right now, so far it's doing that. Because my hair, it doesn't look, shrunk. Well, I don't have a lot of shrinkage going on, so yeah, not bad. So yeah, these are my results the next day, and it just was a bomb wash and go, you guys. My curls did not shrink as much as they normally would with like an Eco Styler gel or anything, or another gel like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.